Guys, every one of you have heard of Bitly, and if you haven't, please watch this video. But what I'm here to tell you today is there is other alternatives to Bitly, even better alternatives in my opinion. So guys, let me show you what I'm talking about. Guys, if you have not heard of Bitly, here it is, okay? It offers a comprehensive platform to help you create, manage, and track all of your links and QR codes in one place. Basically, what it does is gives you that nice look on any phone or anything like that, where you can just have the links, people can just click straight onto your Instagram, your Facebook, things like that, okay? And all the insights. What can you actually do with it? Link management, share, measure, and go offline. But guys, I have an alternative. What is actually better? Let me show you right now. So we're talking about Prime Link, okay? Go to prime-link.net. It's incredible. I'm going to show you how many features this has compared to Bitly and why you should be choosing this. Okay, you can obviously do this for free. All you got to do is type in a link. You can see I've done this a lot of time. I put googlegeorgesbarbecue.com/blah blah blah, shorten it, and it will do that for you straight away to this. Look how quick that was. Let me show you another example. Okay, and this, it could be stupid long. www.longest ever URL in history on this internet. Okay, .com/. Okay, look how long that is. Let me copy that for you. So it could be anything, okay? Let's do one that's even longer, okay? So we've got this all the way along. And watch how easy it is to shorten, just like that. That is now the exact same link, but shorten. Guys, super easy, and it gives you a QR code. Now, one short link, infinite possibilities. The short link is a powerful marketing tool when you see it carefully. It's not just a link. Why is this better than Bitly? Because it's got smart targeting, in customers to increase and reach the direct to the relevant page, pixel to retarget them in your social media and campaign. It also has the in-depth analytics, okay, to share your links to your network, measure data to optimize marketers' campaigns performance, reaching an audience that fits your needs. The digital experience is incredible, okay, the various powerful tools increasing conversation and provide non-intrusive experience to your customers without disengaging them. It's perfect for sales and marketing with all the insights they have. You can see here we've got an Elon Musk one popping up. Powerful tools that work. It has the link management, the privacy control. It has the powerful dashboard, beautiful profiles, power statistics. The QR codes can be fully engaged and automated. You can make them exactly how you want to do them, okay? Optimize your marketing strategy, whether you're going into America, France, anything, okay? It can show you the insights. 99%, for example, of your people hitting your link are Australian. That's what it'll say to you. So you can sort of guide it towards the Australian market then. More features than anything I've ever seen. It's got custom landing pages, CTA overlays, event tracking, team management, branded domain names, robust APIs, which is the most powerful API to build custom applications or extend your application with our powerful tools. Okay, so many integrations. Whatever you're using, you can get involved. Twitter, Bing, Snapchat, you know, Pinterest, TikTok, AdRoll, LinkedIn, Facebook. Anything, guys, anything. WordPress goes in there. Right now, as of this recording, they're powering 154,474 plus links, serving over 825,321 clicks. Plus, it's trusted by 11,765 plus happy customers and an extra one now you've just watched this. So guys, you want to get this done with confidence. Now, Bitly is good. Don't get me wrong, it's good, okay? But it's not as good. You can see even by the prices, okay, what it goes for a month. Annual one time is $96 for the free, the starter one. Okay, if you want to go to the top, it's like $2,388. Let me show you the pricing you'll get by hitting that link down below here. You can get started for free, no payment at all. And for Lifetime Pro, $99 one time, and you get everything that we spoke for, unlimited on all of them. Okay, guys. Unlimited. What'd you get with Bitly? $2,388 for their premium. You only get 3,000 branded links. Look how much you get. It's incredible. Guys, I can't stress enough why you need to click that link down below and get started with Prime Link right now. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Please keep supporting this channel, and what we've got for you is a very special surprise. If you type in TDP20, you're going to get a 20% off extra just by hitting that link down below. So hit that link, type in TDP20, and get involved right now. Thank you so much. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.